Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kyle Montgomery, and today I'm bringing you guys my first ever video on my channel. We are opening 5 packages, 2 which are shoes and 3 are from Supreme. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. I am super hyped for this. But at the time of recording this, today is Friday, March 5th. And you guys will probably be seeing this Sunday, March 8th. So let me know how your week and weekends went. Do you guys get anything for the Supreme drop? Let me know if you did and what did you get. I was trying to go for the Air Forces and the lock. Unfortunately, where I was at did not have the best Wi-Fi. So it was a little slow. And unfortunately, I ended up not getting them. Even in the restock, I didn't get the Air Forces. But that's okay. We always got time. But let's hop into this video. But before we get into this video, let me tell you guys a little bit about my channel. My channel is mainly going to be about fashion, streetwear, and shoes. And in that, we'll be doing unboxings. We're going to be doing shoe reviews. I'll be giving you guys vlogs and resale tips. And also cop and drop lists. So you guys know what are the best pickups out there that will make you the most money. And overall, the main idea of this channel is to give you guys an insight of what a new seller's life is like, as I am a new seller myself. On this channel, we're not going to be doing any bots or anything. We're going to be doing it all manually, because most resellers we see on YouTube have a lot of bots and have all this money. But no, I started with little. And also, like this video and subscribe if you enjoy my content. I'm going to be uploading a few videos a week. And yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up.
Alright guys, we are back, and as you can see, it is the next day. I got the new fit on and everything. But the first package we are opening is the package from Culture Kings. And as you guys saw, this was the package I opened in the montage. Let me know what you guys thought about that. It's my first ever montage created, so it might be a little bad, but we're definitely working on it. But this first package is an Air Jordan box, and as you can see inside, we got the Air Jordan 1 Pine Green Lows. And I got these joints in a size 11, because at the time, the day they came out was a few days before the Jordan 1 highs, and they were selling out really quick. They restocked them though, so now they have 10.5, but these are size 11. They are made of really nice material. I love the material. Jordan 1 lows are definitely a shoe to go for if you're trying to have a nice classy outfit. They look amazing. The color is really solid on them. I love the color. Everything about them is great, honestly. Even the laces. We have the nice shiny toe box, which really stands out, and the nice material of the green on the shoes, and also the very green bottoms. Everything about this shoe says green. I love it. Definitely gonna have some fire outfits to go along with this shoe, and I cannot wait to rock up to school with these. These are gonna be awesome, and overall, a really nice quality made shoe. Definitely on my higher top tier list of shoes that I love, Jordan 1 lows. And a fun thing about these shoes is we are going to have a separate video of trying these on, and I'm going to give you guys a review on these. They're mostly like any other Jordan 1, but I just love the colorway of these. These are very nice shoes. And we also got a similar one of these, which you guys will see later in this video. Alright guys, so the next package we got from here is one of the packages from Supreme. I am super excited to open this, because I believe I know what this is. So let's open this and get right into it. This package had tamper evidence tape on it, which means the customs got into it. But I'm excited. Okay, here we go. Woo! That is very nice. Alright. So, as you can see right here, we do got the Supreme hologram Tupac skateboard. This is a beautiful skateboard, and I believe I'm going to be hanging this one on my wall. Looks super nice. You can see Tupac with the Supreme underwear on, And in the front of the skateboard, they even gave us a Supreme sticker And we also got the ballpark poncho, the free gift of Supreme Week 1. So this is just a free poncho, goes for like 20 bucks on eBay. And overall, this is an amazing board. I'm gonna definitely be hanging this one up on the wall. Then we got the little textures on the front. Anybody skated with these, they are clowns. This is a really nice board, and overall, very high quality. I'm very happy with this purchase. Alright guys, another really cool thing about this board is this is actually my first ever Supreme purchase. So I'm really excited about this, and it definitely paves a bright path for the future of me buying Supreme. Just such good quality. Tupac has his abs right there, and we even have the world famous Supreme mark on the front with some amazing textures. So I'm happy with this purchase, and this will actually lead us into our next opening. Alright guys, so our next package here is similar to our last one, which I think you guys know what that means. We got another Supreme deck here, and this is the other Supreme, or one of the other Supreme Week 1 drop. Here we got the yellow Supreme distorted logo deck, and I honestly think this is better than the Tupac one. We also got another Supreme ballpark poncho, but this one came out in two different colorways. We had the black and also the yellow colorway, which is this one. This deck looks really clean. As you can see, we have all these different Supreme logos on this deck, and they're all distorted. They look really nice. It fits in really well with the color palette, as each logo has a different color attached to it. And overall, very clean deck. We got the same with the front, where the Supreme has a world famous Supreme logo. We also got the sticker inside, and this board only cost me $50. So yeah, both these boards are a very good purchase. We had two ballpark ponchos with them, and very nice. Alright guys, so our next package here is also from Supreme. This one is a few clothes that I ordered with the Week 1 drop. And here we go. As you guys can see, we got the Supreme camo backpack from the Week 1 drop. This one cost me $150. It is a very nice backpack though, and I think it was one of the best colorways that dropped in this week's Supreme camo. Here we go. We got the, this one's definitely in the state package. I'm trying to resell this. So we got the Supreme box logo. We got the nice Supreme writing up and down the backpack. Overall, a very clean backpack. We got the back here. The camo fits in really well. I think it's one of the more unique camos I've seen so far. We got the Supreme logo down here also. And yeah, very nice bag. Gonna try reselling it for around $200. Paid $150 for it, so $50 profit. Still profit, so it's worth it. Now the next thing we had in this package is something I also like, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be keeping it for myself. We got the Supreme Tee Shop. So this one is in red, and as you can see on the tag, it has a little Supreme, and unfortunately it's kind of folded right where it says the thing, but it says Supreme, and then right below it, it says New York City, and then a few numbers that I'm not sure what they mean. I copped for $38, and it's going up for around $60 to $65 on StockX, so definitely a good purchase. It might be a keeper, I'm not sure yet. It looks pretty nice, I like it, and yeah. We also, I think I saw a few more things in this bag. We got another ballpark poncho, third one. Gonna be racking up those, and ooh, we also got some Supreme stickers to go along with the package. That's it for that. We got the Naomi sticker. Let's see what else we got. I believe I see 3 stickers here. We got a regular Supreme sticker right here. Might have to go on the back of my computer for that one. We got the Supreme Loved by the Children sticker, and we also got the Supreme Naomi sticker, so that's pretty cool. Overall, my Supreme packages were definitely worth it. Hopefully going to be making some money off of these. I think I'm going to have to end up keeping the skate decks though. And I'm not sure about this red shop tee yet. it's pretty fire. I might be keeping it for myself. Alright guys, so this is the final package here. I am probably most excited for this one because I know what this is. And this package was sent by Finish Line. Unfortunately, my luck on Nike sneakers were not the best for these, but I was quick enough to get to Finish Line and order myself a pair. We got a very nice Nike box here. I think you guys will know what these are since, you know, a little bit similar to the ones I opened earlier. But here we go. These are what I'm most excited for. And we got the Air Jordan 1 highs that just came out recently. We're definitely going to be doing a review as our next video on these. These are nuts. I love the leather. I know there was a lot of criticism on these, but overall I think these paid off. $180 spent on these. They're going for about $200 on StockX right now. Definitely a good pair we have here. Unfortunately, we have to lace them ourselves, and I'm not a good lacer, but this is a very clean shoe. I definitely recommend getting your hands on these if you can. The only thing I see correct about criticisms is the side leather. The side leather is kind of weird, but overall, a very nice shoe I'm going to be putting on the shelf, which will also be a soon-to-be video of a Hypebeast shoe collection. We also have the shoe cardboard protectors in these, which I greatly appreciate Finish Line sending, because those things are a lifesaver. But yeah, this is a very clean pair. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments. I'm very excited to wear these to school. I'm not sure yet. Might sit on the shelf for a little bit, but very clean. As you guys can see, we had some amazing pickups from Supreme. We had 4 items total here, and we got 3 free ponchos and a few stickers, which is amazing. First ever order from Supreme, and I'm incredibly happy. We also got 2 pickups from Jordan, both same colorway. We're definitely getting a shoe review on these sometime soon, and I cannot wait to do that video. 2 amazing looking shoes and 2 amazing colorways. But thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you guys did enjoy. Turn that post notification bell on if you guys want to be notified when my next video comes out. Thank you for watching, and peace out.